The SR-71 Blackbird, a name that echoes through aviation history, a marvel of engineering, developed in secrecy during the Cold War. It could fly over 3 times the speed of sound, soaring to altitudes exceeding 85,000 feet. Its unique shape gave it stealth capabilities. The ultimate spy plane, a symbol of American technological prowess. The Blackbird left an indelible mark on aviation. The SR-71 Blackbird was built for speed. It was designed to outrun anything in the sky. The Blackbird could achieve speeds of over 2,200 miles per hour. That's more than 3 times the speed of sound. At these speeds, the sky turns a deep blue. The earth below seems to curve away. The Blackbird's speed was made possible by its powerful engines. It was powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney J58 engines. These were some of the most advanced jet engines ever created. They produced over 32,000 pounds of thrust each. The Blackbird could outrun and outmaneuver surface-to-air missiles. It could even evade enemy fighters. The SR-71 Blackbird could also fly incredibly high. It could reach altitudes of over 85,000 feet. That's higher than any other jet-powered aircraft. At these altitudes, the air is incredibly thin. The sky above turns a deep black. The curvature of the earth is clearly visible. The Blackbird's high altitude provided several advantages. It allowed the aircraft to avoid enemy radar systems. It also gave the Blackbird a commanding view of the battlefield. From this vantage point, it could survey vast areas of territory. The Blackbird could gather intelligence without ever entering enemy airspace. The Cold War was a time of great tension. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a nuclear standoff. Both sides developed increasingly sophisticated weapons systems. Among the most feared weapons were surface-to-air missiles, or SAMs. SAMs were designed to shoot down enemy aircraft. They were guided missiles. They could track and pursue their targets with deadly accuracy. Early SAMs were relatively slow and inaccurate. However, they became more advanced over time. By the 1960s, SAMs posed a significant threat to American aircraft. The Soviet Union deployed vast networks of SAM sites. These sites were strategically positioned. They protected key military installations and industrial centers. The Soviets also provided SAMs to their allies. This created a global network of air defense systems. American pilots knew the risks. Flying over hostile territory was dangerous. SAMs were a constant threat. The skies were filled with unseen dangers. Pilots relied on their training and skill. They also depended on the capabilities of their aircraft. The SR-71 Blackbird was designed to face these challenges. Section 4. Evolution of the Threat: Modern Missile Technology. Missile technology has advanced significantly since the Cold War. Modern missiles are faster, more maneuverable, and more intelligent than their predecessors. They pose a greater challenge to even the most sophisticated aircraft. Modern SAMs can reach hypersonic speeds. This means they can travel at 5 times the speed of sound or faster. They can also withstand incredible forces. This allows them to execute tight turns and pull high G-forces. These capabilities make them extremely difficult to evade. Modern missiles are also equipped with advanced guidance systems. They use sophisticated radar systems. They can also home in on the electronic emissions of their targets. Some missiles even use infrared seekers. This allows them to track the heat signatures of aircraft. These advancements make modern missiles incredibly accurate. The development of anti-stealth technology further complicates the situation. Modern radar systems are designed to detect aircraft with reduced radar cross-sections like the SR-71. These systems use a variety of techniques to overcome stealth technologies. They pose a significant threat to aircraft that rely on stealth as their primary defense. Section 5. Evasive Maneuvers, Tales from the Cockpit. Despite the ever-present threat of SAMs, the SR-71 Blackbird built an impressive track record. There are no confirmed instances of an SR-71 being shot down by a missile. This is a testament to the aircraft's incredible capabilities. It also speaks to the skill and bravery of the pilots who flew it. One of the Blackbird's primary defenses was its speed. If a missile was detected, the standard evasive maneuver was simple: accelerate. The SR-71 could simply outrun most missiles. Its incredible speed gave it a significant advantage. The SR-71 also relied on its altitude. By flying at the edge of space, the Blackbird could avoid many types of missiles. Its high altitude gave it a significant time advantage. This allowed its pilots to detect and react to threats more effectively. The Blackbird's unique design also played a role in its survivability. Its special paint scheme and angled surfaces helped to reduce its radar signature. This made it more difficult for enemy radar systems to detect and track the aircraft. Section 6. Outdated or Outmaneuverer, the Blackbird versus Modern Missiles. The SR-71 Blackbird was an incredible feat of engineering. It served as a vital tool for intelligence gathering during the Cold War. However, the world of defense technology has changed dramatically since the Blackbird's retirement in 1999. While the SR-71 was designed to evade the threats of its era, it's unlikely that it could outpace the advanced missile systems in use today. Modern missiles are simply too fast, too maneuverable, and too smart. The Blackbird's speed, once its greatest asset, might not be enough against hypersonic missiles. These missiles can reach speeds exceeding Mach 5, significantly surpassing the SR-71's top speed. Even with its ability to accelerate, the Blackbird would be hard-pressed to outrun a determined hypersonic missile. Similarly, the SR-71's altitude advantage is diminished against modern SAM systems. These systems are designed to engage targets at extremely high altitudes, exceeding those typically flown by the Blackbird. Finally, advancements in anti-stealth technology mean that the SR-71's radar-evading capabilities would be less effective today. Modern radar systems are more sensitive and adaptable, making it increasingly difficult for even stealth aircraft to remain undetected. Section 7. A Legacy of Speed, the SR-71's Enduring Impact. Although the SR-71 Blackbird might not reign supreme in today's battlespace, its legacy continues to inspire. It stands as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of its creators, pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible. The Blackbird's impact extends beyond its impressive performance specifications. It played a crucial role in shaping military strategy, intelligence gathering, and aerospace engineering. The SR-71 demonstrated the importance of speed and altitude in aerial reconnaissance, influencing the development of subsequent aircraft designs. Moreover, the data gathered by the SR-71 during its operational years provided invaluable insights into global affairs, shaping diplomatic and military decisions. While the SR-71 Blackbird may no longer rule the skies, it remains an enduring symbol of innovation and human achievement, inspiring generations of engineers, pilots, and aerospace enthusiasts.